Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for a variable in the equation 3 times x divided by 4 equals 6. In this video, we will show you step by step how to isolate the variable x and find its value. Let's get started. To start solving the problem 3x divided by 4 equals 6, we first need to isolate the variable, which is the x. Since x is currently divided by 4, we need to undo this division to get x by itself on one side of the equation. We can do this by performing the opposite operation of division, which is multiplication. So we will multiply both sides of the equation by 4. This step is crucial because multiplying by 4 will cancel out the division by 4 on the left side. Let's perform this operation now. You have 3x divided by 4 times 4 equals 6 times 4. On the left side of the equation, the 4's will cancel each other out because 4 divided by 4 is 1, leaving just 3x. So, after canceling out, we are left with just 3x on the left side. On the right side, we multiply 6 by 4, which equals 24. So, at the end of this step, the equation changes from 3x divided by 4 equals 6 to 3x equals 24. Next, we need to isolate the variable x even further. Currently, we have the equation 3x equals 24. The 3 is being multiplied by x, so to get x by itself, we need to undo this multiplication. We can do that by performing the opposite operation, which is division. We will divide both sides of the equation by 3. This step is important because dividing by 3 will cancel out the multiplication by 3 on the left side. So, we write 3x divided by 3 equals 24 divided by 3. On the left side of the equation, the 3's will cancel each other out because 3 divided by 3 is 1, leaving just x. On the right side, we divide 24 by 3, which equals 8. This step gives us the simplified equation of x equals 8. This means the value of x that solves the equation 3x divided by 4 equals 6 is 8. This is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.